Hello everyone and welcome to my channel AA Steam Series. I didn't mention my previous video using oobleck as a pH indicator. If you haven't seen, the link is given below in the description. Today I'm going to show you another pH indicator can be used to check the pH of all the household liquids. Isn't it never-ending fun? Today's experiment is called pH testing using purple cabbage. Ta-da! All liquids range on the pH scale as acidic, neutral, or basic. An indicator is a special type of substance. It tells us whether the item in question is acidic or basic. When it comes in contact with an acidic substance, it turns red. When the basic solution touches it, it turns blue. What you need for today's experiment. You almost need all the household liquid for today's project. Tall, clear, glass cups. Well, it doesn't have to be tall, it just has to be clear. Glass cups, you need 10 of them. Purple cabbage juice is an indicator solution. I'll tell you how to prepare this. Stay tuned. You need washing detergent, Alka-Seltzer, cream of tartar, should be a powder, lemon juice, baking soda, again it should be a powder, vinegar, milk, and soda. So first, let's begin by putting on safety glasses. First, how do you make indicator solution? Adults should prepare the purple cabbage water with boiling up chopped up cabbage for 15 minutes, collecting the cabbage water by filtering. Purple cabbage has a pigment called anthocyanin that gives it beautiful purple color. Step number 2. Cabbage water will be used as the indicator and pour it into a tall clear glass. Step number 3. Let's begin adding some washing detergent. Doesn't matter what type. It can be dishwashing detergent, laundry detergent, really doesn't matter. So pour some in. And let's pour cabbage water. It didn't change color, which means it's either an acid or a base. It's a neutral. Let's put this right there. And now, let's put in some Alka-Seltzer. I'm going to put that in there. Ooh, this is going to be fun. Let's see. Alka-Seltzer, what'll that do? Ooh, whoa. So purple and red light color, which means it's an acid. Whoa, it's fizzing. Look at it fizz. Let's move on now. I'm going to pour some cream of tartar. Cream of tartar. Pour some in. Ooh, it's a lot. Now let's see what this does. I'm so excited. Pour. Whoa. What just happened there? It turned pink. Which means it's close color to red. Which means it's an acid. So let's put that right there. Now, let's put in some vinegar. I wonder what this will do. Vinegar. I'll put a little bit in because it's a short glass. Or should I move this over to the side? We can look at this later. First, let's do this. Yeah, it should be good actually. So now, let's pour it in. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, turn red again, which means it's, of course, an acid. Now it's time for lemon juice. Shake some lemon juice. Oh wow, this is so exciting. Changing colors. Can you believe it? Whoa, 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 whoa! What just happened there? It's pink, which means, again, it's an acid. And now, time for baking soda. Ooh, I wonder what will happen here. Baking soda. Oh yeah, this is fun. This is real fun. Oh, what? It turned blue. Which means it's a base. We have another base. Now, it's time for soda. Let's see what this will do. This is already fizzing. Huh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fizzy, fizzy. I'm going for the whole thing. I'm excited. Whoa. It's purple. Look at it. It's purple. Purple, pink, what do you want to call it? And it means it's an acid. Now it's time for milk. Make a little bit more. And now, let's see what this will do. Well, nothing really happened, just changed color because of the cabbage water. So, let's say it's in neutral because it didn't turn blue, naturally, or red. So, it's a neutral. Let's keep this in the middle. So, what we learned today is that acids turn red and pink shades, and neutral, they don't change color, and base, they turn blue or green. So, this is Alka-Seltzer, cream of tartar, vinegar, and this is lemon juice and soda. This is washing detergent, milk, and baking soda. So which one was your favorite? I like the Alka-Seltzer. Thank you for watching my experiment. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye-bye. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel.